All right, recording now.
I forgot that you gave me that notebook. Can I go get it? Because that's where my notes are.
Yep. All right, so this is section 7.4, elimination. Using multiplication. This is day 2. We've already done one day of this already. What was it, the 19th?
I don't know the 14th.
That was the last one. Today is the 19th.
Okay. Wait, what day is the 25th? Monday. Monday is the 25th?
Okay.
Just wondering.
So we're going to try this one now. Am I on example 3? Did we get through 2 examples last time, guys?
Yeah.
3x plus 4y equals negative 22, and negative 2x plus 3y equals negative 8. Okay. Now, before we would multiply one equation by a number, right? So we could cancel them out. But this time, we're going to have to multiply both equations by a number. And that's because we don't want, you can actually do it with decimals. So we could take 2 times, 1.5, and end up getting the right answer. But we don't need to do that. We can actually just multiply it both to get whole numbers. So anybody have a plan of what we should try to get rid of, x's or y's? Noah? Tyler?
All of the y's,
Okay, and what do you want to multiply by?
you multiply the 4 times 3.
Okay, so you're shooting for 12 on the top. What are you going to shoot for on the bottom?
12.
Well, it's got to be negative.
Or yeah, or times negative 4.
Okay, so you're deciding that we're going to try to get 12 on the top and negative 12 here.
Yeah.
And there's actually 4 different ways to do this problem. We could also multiply by negative 3 on the top and a 4 on the bottom, right? Or we could try to do the x's and not have to worry about negatives at all because one of them's already negative, but we're going to do it your way. All of these ways will work. All right, so I'm distributing 3 to all of them. Nice job, Tyler. Should be 9x plus 12y equals negative 66. Everybody following me so far? Then I'm going to distribute the negative 4 to all 3 of them too. That becomes positive 8x minus 12y equals 32. Now you can tell right away if you are on the right path because your x's or your y's should cancel out at this point, which they do. What is 9 plus 8? 17x equals 32 plus a negative 66. Okay, and then what do I do? Yeah. Divide by 17 on both sides, so I get x equals negative 2. All right, now what do you think we should do?
I have a pencil too.
Yep, substitute the negative 2 into one of the first 2 equations. So go ahead and try that right now.
Wait, so we have to use the new equation?
One of the top equations.
One of these two?
Yeah,
So not the new one?
right.
Okay.
Next 2
Huh?
minus 4y. Oh yeah.
What did you guys generally pick? Raise your hand if your group picked the top equation. Raise your hand if your group picked the bottom equation.
We did.
Okay. Negative 2 times negative 2 plus 3y equals negative 8. I'm using the bottom equation right now. I got -4. You guys get the same thing?
Yeah.
-2, -4. All right, do you see how this really isn't too different than what we did before? It's just now we're multiplying both equations by a number. This is as complicated as it gets, by the way. All right, so we're gonna try one more just for practice, and then I'm gonna add to that assignment I already gave you. We're gonna work on it. 11x minus 6y equals 25. 3x plus 9y equals 60. Remember, common denominators. Think about something that both things go into. Go for it. Talk to each other.
Do you want to do x's? Get to 33. Multiply the top by 3. Or, I'll just make the multiply the top by -3. Yep. And then multiply the bottom by 11. So we got negative 33x minus just 24. Yeah, it's plus. Oh no. No, 18. Plus 18. Equals.
The correct answer for this one is 5, 5.
And then the bottom is going to be 33x plus 99y. God, that's a big number. 660. Alright, then you're gonna add all these. We got x's cancel out, so now we got 99 plus 18. Wait, equals it's gonna be 500 and divide by 117, divide by 117. And we're gonna hope that it's 5. Alright, so now we come over, substitute it in. I'm going to use the bottom equation, so 3x plus 9 times 5 equals 60. 3x plus 45 equals 60, minus 45 equals 3x equals 15, divide by 3, x equals 5.
All of that purple.
Right here.
Probably should switch back Okay, so something's definitely wrong. Because I got 9.074007. So.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm just typing
All right. Need more time?
Sick, like
Any group need more time?
Yes, we do.
Okay, you done?
Just about, but we didn't get, no, any, no, not done, not done. Let's just say that for now. I usually like to. No way.
Not by you had issues again.
Yes, all that you
There are not many candidates here. What I'll probably do right now. Do a bunch of candidates. Who you guys play?
Wait, so how do you know?
Are they good? Probably.
Oh, chill out. This is a nightmare. I'm really sorry. Worst part of your day?